welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a unboxing, just a quick little unboxing of my new MacBook Pro. My old computer completely died on me, so my hubs got me a new one. This is what it looks like. It is a space gray color. My other one used to be just silver, and it used to be thicker. This one's apparently none of them come with CD-ROMs anymore. They're all just thin. So this is what it looks like. This is what the inside looks like. It's a 13-inch. So this is supposed to be a lot faster, and yeah. My other one was like 5 years old. So. Oh, look, it's turning on. I didn't turn on. So yeah, from what I see, the screen is a lot wider also. If you, well, you can't see it now, but the lines on the side on my older one are a lot bigger. But yeah, we'll see how this one works, and hopefully it's a lot faster because it'll help with uploading my videos. So this is what it looks like. Turning on, setting my language preferences. Sorry for the camera moving, that's Jacob. Setting the country. See, and excuse me, little man, get on toy. It is connecting to the Wi-Fi. By the way, it's from Target. Let's see. And I'm just gonna sign in and everything, see how that works. Just the process, setting it up. And it also comes with a charger. Apparently the chargers are now different. It kind of looks like the iPhone one. That's great. Okay. So it's a lot smaller. You still get this big block though. You get the little information. So yeah. Anyway, that's my unboxing. I'm gonna set it up and then I will upload a short video maybe on YouTube. Okay. So yeah. See you guys. Bye.